Okay, all of you, good morning. Okay, today again we are going to start new units. You know, the name of units is Government Finance. Unit 11, Main Finance. So today we are going to start what? New unit, unit 11. Name of unit is what? Government Finance. So today, under this unit, today we are going to learn about what? Concept of government finance and importance of government finance. Concept of government finance and importance of government finance. Okay, now first let us discuss about, or let me explain about concept of government finance. Now when we talk about government finance, means talking about what? Government finance is the science related with what? Public authority or finance of governments. So to this government finance we also call public finance. Public finance. Now public finance means it has been start this word, or this word has been start from two words, that is public and finance. Now public means talking about people of the nations, people of the governments, and finance means talking about what? Financial activity of the governments. So when we talk about public finance means it is the financial activity of the government. Now it says that before 19th century the financial activity of the government was only limited. It had only duty to provide peace and security for the public. Peace and security for the public, for the citizen of the nation. But at present, what happens? The government, along with that, many other activity has to be done, so that people can get a lot of welfare, a lot of facility from the government. At present, along with peace and security, government has to provide health service, education service, plus government also has to build different infrastructure for the economic development of the nations. Government also has to build different other infrastructure for the development of transport, communications. So a lot of responsibilities are there. So for this carrying out this activity, government it has to collect income, and after that same income it has to do also expenditure for the welfare of the public. So when we talk about government finance means collecting incomes and same income being an expenditure for the welfare of public, that also comes under what? Government finance. Now you all know that government to collect that incomes, it charges a lot of taxes, different type of taxes to the public, and that tax is the income of the governments, and same income again what the government does, it also does expenditure for the public, for the betterness of the public. So that activities or that financial activity which government do, that is what finance, government finance or public finance. The importance of government finance. Now when we talk about importance of government finance means there are lot of importance are here. So especially I am going to explain you only about 5 government importance. So and I am going to explain the importance on points also. So here are some points. Now 1 point, efficient allocation of resources. Number 2, social goods and infrastructures. Number 3, capital formations. Number 4, redistribution of income and wealth. And number 5, economic developments. Now, okay, let me discuss. Let me explain you about first points. Efficient allocation of resources. Now it is said that the resources available in the nations, that may be mineral resources, that may be water resources, that may be forest resources, or that may be any other resources which are available in the nations. Such resources only can be utilized or only can be efficiently used with the help of this finance. What finance? Public finance and government finance. In the absence of government finance, the resources which are present in the nations cannot be utilized. So, for the better, for the population, for the more utilization of resources available in the nations, only possible with the help of public finance or government finance. Now, number 2, social goods and infrastructure. Now, it is said that government also has responsibility to provide a lot of facility for the publics. So, when government to provide a lot of facility to the public, it has to, fulfill the need of the public. For that, government has to provide some social goods like electricity, drinking water facility, transportation and communication. These are some social goods. It is the responsibility of government. It should provide to its publics. Similarly, now infrastructure means some infrastructure like building, bridges, roads, hospitals, school, colleges, to provide educational facility, health facility, many other facility. For that also what means? Government finance is used. So this is the responsibility of government to provide what? Social goods and infrastructure with the necessary for the welfare of the publics. Now capital formations. Now capital formation means especially what means? Government. What it do? It collect large sum of money from the public in the form of tax. So the money which is collected by the government in the form of tax, if that money, when it is used in some productive sectors, when it is invested in some productive sectors, suppose building some limited companies, public limited companies where government do investment. So collecting that tax and doing investment in some productive sector or building factory industry. So that is called what? Capital formation. That is what formations? Capital formations. And redistribution of income and wealth. Now it is said that when the government collect the tax, and again that tax is redistributed to the public in the form of many facilities, in the form of many incentives, in the form of many facilities. Now for that, it's really what means government charges a lot of taxes to the rich peoples and very less tax to the poor peoples. There are also some tax which are equally for poor, rich and poor. But usually what means government, they make the policy that those goods which are usually used by the rich people or high class people, on such type of goods charging more tax, and again that tax amount redistributing to the public in the form of limit of incentives. That is also necessary. For that also necessary what finance? Government finance. Next, economic developments. Now it is said that a country has to make economic development. For that also public finance plays important role, because when the government collects the taxes, and that taxes, if the government utilizes in some productive sectors, utilizes or it does investment in some business, trade and all, so from the ordinance, a government can earn further incomes, more incomes. And when the government does such activities, it makes the country economically developed. So today in this video, I have explained you about government finance and importance of government finance. So photo will be there on your group. From there also you can note down. Thank you all of you.